I am Nirjala. Welcome to my channel Himalayan Flow. Today I'm going to show you how to do Garudh Asana. Let's begin. We coil our one leg around with the other and our arms coil it together. Keep our gaze in the long ups again. Middle finger. Let it go. We'll do same with the other side. Coil your right leg around with the left and we'll coil our arm again. Keep your gaze in the long middle finger. Let it go. Well done. If you like to see more of these videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.